Bakansara aba ku North Division nibagira ngu kampuni ya Woodfix Technical Services eremerwe kushoroza omushoro kandi okurugerera hampatene y'abahirwe bakaba bari abo kubana bashashura miliyoni 9 buri kwezi konka ngwezi zibaremere. John Bosco Magembe omuhandiki mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyesente omukanso ya Mbarara City North niwashomere reporta omukanso ari kushaba ngwe empatane yabo yaza kuhwayo ebiro 8 byo ku 12/2023 ngu tubashemereye kugaruka kubahereza omurimo ogu.
The contract price. The committee thereafter recommends the following. Upon expiry of contracts for Woodfix Technical Services Limited, the tender should not be extended or renewed.
Magembe agize ngo bakatunge baroha ku rwo Ministry ya Government z'ebyanga eri kubashaba kureba ngo batekaho system era abayambe okushoroza omushoro je.
You know currently we get 20% and some get 80%. So we cannot know whether 20% is fair to us. But with this system, the money collected in a division will go to that division.
Bwanyuma yo kushoma report ejo bahagire ekitenso cyo kugira ngo Woodfix Technical Services etagaruka kutunga empataneji nokwe speaker Silver Mugisha kuhendera urukiko.
Bwino kanso yitu yerizoba yahinduza company ishoroza omushoro wa street parking kandi contract yayo ikuwa y'ibiro 8 byo kuyimenye itagaruka kweba umurimo gwe ahubwo inshoroza ndi yibiri netwariza clients hamwe n'abandi bantu abakuze mu town ya Mbarara.
And I also want to thank the members from Mbarara communities for coming through. Thank you so much.
Ntubanza sente eze kurenga miliyoni 2.9 okurwo mu Woodfix. Woodfix eri kumanaginga street parking omuri Mbarara City.
We Mathias Rugemwa orukurira kampuni ya Woodfix Technical Services enshongeji agigambire hwati.
We have had a 3-year contract. So when we are starting it, they started the construction of the central market. It is because we are renewing the other contract. Then they started constructing the central market. And you remember very well that all those shops you see around the central market, we never charged them for some time.
Aba bahigira bambara City South okureba ngu nabo bahinguze ekitense eki okwenda ngo batunge kampuni ndijo era basekoro mu rumogu. Adolf Ayureka TV West Agacencwire.